Hello everybody, my name is Fernando Gonzalez over here at Visalia Buick-GMC. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new 2019 GMC Sierra Denali. Now you might have heard about the new tailgate, the multi-tailgate, exclusive only to the GMC, and that's not the only cool thing that they introduced this year to the new Sierras. They have the technology package which gives you 6 different cameras. Yes, you heard right, 6 different cameras, giving you 10 different angles. Now the last camera is placed right here. Now the cameras are cool because they give you that bird's eye view, giving you, like I said, 10 different angles, giving you a view of every inch of your truck, knowing where you're gonna park, and helping you park as well. So I did tell you there was 6 cameras, so we're missing the last one, which is the coolest one, I think. It lets you look in the back just in case you have a full cab and you can't see with your rearview mirror. You can skip through all that, all the mess, all the objects in the back, all the people, and go directly to the back. And it gives you different options just in case you want to zoom in, or you know what, maybe it's a little too high. And like I said, this is what makes this truck the hottest truck in the market today. It gives you this technology that makes it so much safer to be on the road. And again, thank you for taking the time and allowing me to show you the new technology package on this 2019 GMC Sierra. And again, that's not even scratching the surface. You got a 6.2 engine in here with a new 10-speed transmission that is, you're just dying to drive it. So stop on by Visalia Buick-GMC, ask for me, and let's take it for a test drive. See you here.